Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here. And Rick. And we are with Life with Grandma Bev. And we also have Lou. Say hi, Lou. Say hi. How are you all doing today? As you can see, I'm here. I'm doing fine. It's Saturday. You probably won't see this on Saturday, but I'm recording it on Saturday. Well, today I'm going to share with you a new test tube box. Oh, excuse me. That was a surprise. First time she's done that. You hear any? Oh, this hair. It's flatter on this side because this is the side I sleep on. You hear any background noise? It's a washer and dryer. Can't get out of that wash. Doing laundry on Saturdays. From when I worked how many years ago? Let's see. This works. This seems to work better with my routine. I don't know. My routine doesn't change from day to day. Okay, I'm debating whether to keep this box. I've been getting it for, I think, almost a year. And I originally got it because I thought the tubes are so cute. Well, I've got how many up here that I've never used them for anything. I mean, I'm funny because I'll get things because I think the boxes are cute. Okay, let's get started. First off, here's the card. Falling in love with beauty. And they show all these young girls. Like us old folks don't care. As the seasons change, so does your beauty routine. Oh, they mean the seasons. I thought they meant seasons of as you're growing older. Now's the time to switch out your lightweight summertime products for those ultra hydrating ones. Don't know where to start? Take a peek at the editor-curated must-haves inside your September test tube. First thing is, it's a mask from Mask Science Mediheal, Mediheal, a DNA hydrating protein mask. So it's nourishing, hydrating, replenishing. The DNA solution moisturizes dry, rough skin for a renewed and softened skin texture. It's a cellulose sheet with creamy serum. I don't know what that's about. How do you use it? After cleansing and toning, apply mask. Hold the lifting line and pull upward to fit the mask tightly to face, adjusting to fit around the eyes and blah, blah, blah. Relax 10 to 20 minutes, remove the mask, lightly pat. Okay, well, I'm going to do this one on Monday. That sounds interesting. Put it right over here. Keeper. Oh, wait, here's another one. Protein mask. Oh, I see one. There's a hydrating. Oh, they're both hydrating protein. Exact same thing. What's funny is I got it hanging from like a doctor's thing. You come in tomorrow and I've got this thing hanging here. Oh, well, I'm so funny, huh? Okay, next we have, Lipospheric B-Complex Plus Dietary Supplement utilizing liposomal encapsulation technology. It's got 195 milligrams of B vitamins, minerals, and cinnamon, 500 milligrams of essential phospholipids, non-GMO, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan. Looks like you put this in something to drink. Well, let's see what all is actually in here. Riboflavin, which is B2, niacin, B6, folate, B12. I already take a B12 every day for years. I used to have to go get shots. The doctor said my B12 was the lowest she'd ever seen. So it's got a bunch of stuff in it. Alcohol in it as a preservative. From Henderson, Nevada. What's the, say how you use it. Maybe up here. Oh, here we go. As a dietary supplement, take 1 packet per day with or without a meal, or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. If stomach upset occurs, that'd be me, take the product with a meal. Oh, then I'm taking it with a meal. I'm not taking any chances. For best results, snip or tear the notched end, squeeze into 1 to 3 ounces of your favorite cool beverage. Consume in 1 swallow. Contents of the package will not dissolve. I take a multivitamin, but yeah, I'm game. I'll try that. Oh, this is almost reminds me of something I got the other day. It's a Saints and Sinners Super Fresh Divine Dry Shampoo. Big can. I know I'm not going to use this. Then we get to the test tube. Pretty colors. There's a lot of healthy kind of stuff in it. Okay, this is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Well, this is something for the face. A patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. There's 5 treatments in here. I don't know. You know where they lose me? Is when they say acid. Follow the packet instructions. Sunburn alert. Also, you have to be careful if you use this when you go in the sun, too. I think I'm going to pass on this one. Okay, then we have a Yes to Cucumbers Daily Eye Treatment with Aloe Vera to soothe. It's for sensitive skin. That's me. Say, using your ring finger, it's got to be this finger, dab a small amount around the eyes. That's it. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff written that I can't read, about what's all in it and all kinds of goodies like that. Let's see how it looks. Oh, cute. Well, I'm going to try that every night before I get under my blankies. I have a routine and I put things on my eyes and Lou's used to that routine. She's got to come over and check it and make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to be. Then we have Strawberry Booster Facial Oil. It's a rich and nourishing facial oil. Strawberry Booster is a powerful skin softener that instantly hydrates and smooths. High in ellagic acid and omega fatty acids. It helps to soothe and condition dry or flaky skin. Ideal for skin that's feeling dry, dehydrated, or sensitive. How to use: mix 2 to 3 drops into serums, moisturizers, or masks. Alternatively, apply directly to clean, dry skin. I think I'll pass on this one. See, the nice thing about this box is they're always full size. Then we've got a Deo Spray Intimate Jasmine Pear. I thought it was Peak. Jasmine Peak. pH balanced, refreshing, and deodorizing, developed with gynecologists. Oh, I wonder what this is for. Deodoc, Swedish intimate skincare. Any directions? Refreshment in a bottle. Ladies, let's be honest. Armpits are not the only body parts that sweat. Just as sweat glands exist in the armpits, they also exist in intimate areas. That's why Deodoc has developed a pH-balanced intimate deodorant spray that prevents unwanted odors and leaves a fresh feeling all day. The product is developed by doctors and is suitable for everyday use. Gentle formulation that is talc-free and hypoallergenic. Directions. Shake well before using. Spray from a distance of 8 to 12 inches on external vaginal area that is normally covered with hair. You mean it's got to be an area that has no hair on it, but it's an area where there should have been hair to begin with. This is where the sweat glands are located. Can be used on shaved areas as well as non-shaved areas. Okay. For external use only. Well, duh. Well, I guess some people would be dumb enough to put it down there and try to spray up a hole or something. Spray at least 8 inches from the skin. Do not apply it to broken, irritated, or itching. Persistent, unusual odor or discharge may indicate conditions for which a physician should be consulted. I would consult my regular physician. He gives me the creeps. I'd have to go back to my gynecologist, who I haven't had to go to since I was 65. Did you know one of the perks of turning 65? You don't have to have pap smears anymore. Yay! So I haven't had to have them for a long time. Okay, so discontinue immediately if a rash, irritation, or discomfort. Oh, and also avoid spraying in the eyes. Okay. Let's see what the container looks like. Oh, this looks like that. Oh, I'll try it. Not that I need it. But you know, I'm a fiend when it comes to those areas. I've got my bidet that I use all the time, and I've got my wipes. Anyway, TMI. Okay, then we have daily concepts for individuals who think in the shower. It's a gua sha, G-U-A, one word, and S-H-A, jade tool. It enhances product absorption, used on face or body for increased lymphatic drainage. Tooth end for the jawline. Let's see what this is. What if you don't think in the shower? That'd be odd for me, because I'm always thinking, especially when I'm trying to get sleep. Why did they put those on there? Okay. What in the world? No directions. Here they are, you know, in the color that matches the box almost. It's an ancient facial tool that has been a part of beauty rituals for centuries. How come we've never heard of it? It's intended to be used over the top of your usual moisturizing routine in order to help increase the benefits of the products. The gua sha works as the perfect stimulator for renewing the skin by flushing out the lymphatic drainage and increasing blood flow, both of which are essential for radiant, healthy, and vibrant skin. Directions: apply any ointment, serum, or lotion of your choice to your face, neck, chest, or body. Lightly drag the tool in long, sweeping motions, being mindful that the amount of pressure you apply to the tool will increase the effect of the lymphatic drainage. Feel free to use both the side and the tooth edge. I don't see any teeth on it. For additional lymphatic drainage. A tip: works well to enhance the benefits of serums, oils, and lotions. Well, maybe they consider this a tooth edge? I don't know. Oh my God. I see what they mean. Use it here. Get rid of this one wrinkle that makes it look like I've got a dirty ring around my neck. Well, I'll try it, you know. Anything that's simple. does it, guys. Oh, wait, one more thing. A cute little Mood Elevate Orange Power. This is so teeny. Get this. Ingredients, statements. Doesn't. I mean, I'm guessing it's like a lip balm or something. Because that's what it looks like. Smells good. Put it on here a minute because I just put lipstick on. I don't want to get the lipstick all over it. Silence is golden. The dryer just turned off. Well, that'll keep too. So, let's do a rehash. Let's put this out of the way. We've got 2 masks I'm keeping. I'm keeping the woozy scent stuff. This. The eye stuff. The Jade Tool. And the B Complex. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as well as, of course, this. And I'm getting rid of the Strawberry Booster Facial Oil, the Extra Strength Daily Peel, and the dry shampoo. So that's pretty good. I'm keeping more than I'm giving away this time. What you think? I'll put what I pay for it after I edit, when I edit it. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific weekend. I love you all. Bye.